Hey guys, Happy-Go-Lucky here, back for another maths question of the day. Today we're looking at some probability questions. It's question 9 from 2020 Specimen Paper 1 of the Cambridge iGCSE paper. Question goes as follows. Dan either walks or cycles to school. The probability that he cycles to school is 1/5. Part A, write down the probability that Dan walks to school. Part B, there are 200 days in a school year. Work out the expected number of days that Dan cycles to school in a school year. Pay attention to the details, press pause, have a go at the question, and I'll be back with the work solutions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, the first thing we need to be aware of is the probability scale. The scale goes from 0, being no chance at all of something happening, up to 1, being certain it has to happen. The probability that he cycles to school is 1/5, so 1 out of 5 chance, about there-ish. If the whole probability adds up to 1, then the probability that he walks to school, bearing in mind that he can either cycle or walk to school and that's it, will be the rest of this space. So if 1/5 has been used up already, and 5/5 as a whole, then there's 4/5 left over. So there's 4/5 chance that he walks to school. And 4/5, if you don't want to write it as a fraction, would be 0.8 as a decimal. Either of those answers would be accepted. Part B, there are 200 days in a school year. Work out the expected number of days that Dan cycles to school in a school year. So we know that he cycles to school in 1 in every 5, 1/5 of trips. So if there's 200 days in a school year, we need to know basically 1/5 of 200. In other words, break 200 into 5 pieces. We only want one of those, 1/5. So 200 divided by 5. Quick way to do that is to do 20 divided by 5 instead, which is 4, and then put the extra 0 on to take it back up to 200 divided by 5. So it's actually 40 days that Dan cycles to school. Okay, that was some basic worded probability problems. The common misconception is when it's just misreading the question. So as long as you read the question carefully and then apply your basic rules, you should be fine. I've been Happy-Go-Lucky. You've been doing some probability maths. Thanks for watching, guys. Good for you. I'll see you again soon. Bye.